Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us learn. Here is the part 3 of the computer MCQs, which are the most important and likely to be asked in all the state government job examinations. If you have not seen part 1 and part 2, kindly visit my YouTube channel. Also subscribe the channel and like and share the videos. So the first question is, the components that process data are located in the system unit of the computer. Next is 1 MB or 1 megabyte is equal to 1 million bytes. Third one is 1 billion bytes is equal to 1 GB or 1 gigabyte. Any part of the computer which we can physically touch is the hardware part. Software part we cannot physically touch, but only the hardware part we can physically touch. Next is, to process the data, computer uses binary language. Whenever we feed the data as input to the system, we feed it in a high level language, but the computer brings down the data to the binary language level or the machine language level so that it can understand and process the data. Next is, bit represents binary digit. A byte can hold how many characters? A byte can hold 1 character of data. This question can be asked in a different manner. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So 8 bits can hold 1 character of data, or 1 character of data is equal to 8 bits. Then computers that performs extremely complex operations in a rapid manner are called supercomputers. Normally, whenever a simple computer, a desktop or a laptop performs complex operations, the computational time required by those computers are very high. So, to reduce the computational time, the supercomputers are designed, and those supercomputers can perform the complex operations in a very small period of time. The CPU and memory are located in the motherboard of the computer. So this motherboard is basically the heart of the computer, and it is the most important part of any computer system. Binary language consists of how many digits? Binary means 2. Bi means 2. So binary language consists of 2 digits. The basic architecture of computer was developed by John von Neumann. It is also known as the Neumann architecture. In Excel, each sheet in a workbook is defined as tab. So, the small sheets that are present in an Excel workbook, those are known as the tab. Control plus page up. If we type Control plus page up button together, then we will go to the previous sheet. Similarly, if we press Control plus page down, we will go to the next place. Okay. Then NIC stands for Network Interface Controller. It is also known as the LAN controller. Minimum and maximum zoom size in MS Office is this 10 and 500. This is the question which has already been asked in some previous state government examinations, like the Assam Secretariat Junior Administrative Assistant exam. And this question was asked in the previous years also. So these are some of the questions which we have discussed today in today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. I shall also bring the next part of the computer sections soon. Till then, take care.